Hi, I'm Matthew from Boiler Boffin. In this video I'm going to be running through our servicing procedures. Just to check that the boiler's pressure sensor recognises there's no opportunity, just to pressure in the expansion vessel, which is really important. See there that the pressure is down at, we want it to be about 0.9, so we can charge that up now. A little bit more. That's actually about 1.1 bars for this one. Let's make sure there's no air in it. Get all those tests done. Just going to unwind that. Remove any debris from the bottom of that trap, just make sure it doesn't block up. And then refill with some fresh water. Next thing we're going to test are the boiler's failure safe devices. The first one we're going to test is the fan, to ensure that if there's incorrect power or the fan speed can't be controlled correctly, the boiler won't ignite and will just cut itself off. So I'm going to stick that into service mode and wait for it to go to failure, which can take a couple of minutes sometimes. You see there that the boiler has now gone to an F32 code, which says it recognises that there's an issue with the fan and will not ignite. So I'm just going to read the boiler won't try to remain alight if there's an issue with the gas supply. That's now lit. You can see there that's now gone to an F28 code, which is showing that it has failed to ignite. Let's break this seal, replace the gasket and clean the internal side of the heat exchanger. And whenever you remove this section, you have to replace this gasket, which is why it's only required every few years. But this one hasn't been done for at least 4 years now, so we're just going to do it all now. And what we're going to do is clean this electrode set, replace this gasket here, which is actually starting to perish already, clean down any debris off of the burner, and then clean the inside of the heat exchanger as well. This is our new one. Now I'm going to stick this whole section machine from here, and we can get onto our final tests. Machine up here, and the first thing I'll do is run the boiler at minimum rate. So I'm put it into its minimum rate service mode. Stick the probe into the test point on top of the boiler, and I'm just going to allow that to run. So what I'm now going to do is turn this into full rate, but because of the heat, I don't want to run the customer's heating for too long. I'm actually going to run the hot tap at the bath. Now while that's on maximum rate, I'm also just going to do a quick gas rate, just to test how much gas the boiler is burning when it's running.